I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Get 2 controllers and 2 accounts ready before you launch Marvel Rivals today. Confirm both controllers are paired and signed into different accounts on your console or PC. Check your display resolution and confirm it supports 1920 by 1080 for optimal split screen. Make sure your system targets 60 FPS to keep gameplay smooth when the view is shared. Close unnecessary background apps to free CPU and GPU for split screen performance. From the main menu, choose Play Locally to begin setting up split screen. Navigate to Game Mode and select Split Screen, then pick 2 players for local play. Configure layout, HUD scale, and camera separation in the display settings to balance visibility. On consoles, press Start on the second controller to join the session and lock both players in. Confirm controls for player 2 are mapped correctly before starting your match for seamless gameplay. If split screen fails to appear, update Marvel Rivals and your system software first. Reboot your console or PC after updates to clear temporary file conflicts and refresh resources. If performance drops, reduce resolution to 1280 by 720 to improve frame rate under heavy load. Prefer wired controllers and Ethernet connections to minimize input lag and networking issues during local matches. If one player still cannot join, recheck account sign-in and controller assignment in the settings menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.